A happy life as a couple doesn't just happen. It's something you create together moment by moment, choice by choice. It's about building a relationship that feels like a safe space, not a battlefield. And it starts with the decision to show up every day, not perfectly, but with love, honesty, and intention. Happiness in a relationship isn't about avoiding problems. Every couple faces challenges. What matters is how you face them. Do you blame or do you listen? Do you shut down or do you lean in? The strongest couples aren't the ones who never fight. They're the ones who know how to fight fair, who know how to come back, sit down and say, let's figure this out together. Real happiness is built on small things. Saying thank you for the little acts of kindness. Noticing the good instead of always pointing out the flaws. Choosing appreciation over criticism. Those small moments create emotional safety, and safety is where love thrives. Talk to each other, and not just about bills or chores or what's for dinner. Talk about your dreams, your fears, your memories. Talk about what excites you and what worries you. Keep discovering each other even years down the road, because people change, and love deepens when you stay curious about each other. Make time for fun. Laughter, inside jokes, small adventures, even just dancing in the kitchen. Happiness needs lightness. It needs joy. And it's easy to lose that when life gets busy. So protect that space. Make room for fun, not just responsibilities. Respect is non-negotiable. Always speak to each other like someone you deeply care about, even when you're upset, even when you disagree. Words can heal, but they can also wound. Once said, they can't be taken back, so choose them with care. Be kind, even in conflict. Support each other's individuality. You are two people with two different lives. Let each other grow. Give space when it's needed and stand close when it's not. Don't lose yourself in the relationship, and don't ask your partner to either. Healthy love supports freedom, not control. Build rituals that ground you. Maybe it's a walk after dinner. Maybe it's coffee in the morning or a weekly date night. These small habits create consistency and comfort. They give you a rhythm, a heartbeat for your connection. Say, I love you. Say it often. Say it when it's easy and especially when it's hard. And show it not just in the big gestures, but in the way you show up. The way you listen. The way you forgive. Love is a verb, and it lives in action. Forgive often. No one gets it right all the time. You're going to mess up. They will too. Learn how to let go, how to apologize, and how to move forward. A happy couple doesn't hold on to resentment. They heal together. Celebrate each other's wins. Be their biggest cheerleader. Be the one who believes in them when they doubt themselves. Your support can be the difference between a bad day and a better one. Between fear and courage. And remember, love is not about finding the perfect person. It's about building something beautiful with an imperfect one. It's about choosing each other again and again, every day. So how do couples pass their life and stay happy? With kindness, with patience, with laughter, with deep listening and open hearts, with the willingness to grow together and as individuals. That's how love lasts. That's how happiness is built.